Glycerin is a great humectant, which means it helps attract and retain water in the skin. And did you know that glycerin can also be used to extract properties from plants that have an affinity with water? In this video, I'll show you how to make these botanical extracts, which you can use in your natural formulations. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. Leave your like and comment, hit the notification bell and share this video, and take every opportunity to live a more natural life. To make these glycerin extracts, also known as glycerides, we will use 3 different types of plants. Here I have horsetail, which is a plant that contains numerous properties that help soothe, hydrate, protect, and firm the skin. In addition, horsetail contains silica, an essential mineral for promoting collagen synthesis. Our next plant is the hibiscus flower, which contains vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acid, which helps gently exfoliate the skin, bringing a healthy glow and also helping to lighten spots. This plant hydrates and protects the skin against damage caused by external agents and can also be used to add color to your natural products. And here we have green tea, which is a plant that has been used for centuries for its benefits. Green tea contains components with antioxidant action that can help protect, improve elasticity, and firmness of the skin. The properties of this plant also help reduce redness and inflammation, like acne, rosacea, and eczema, helping to calm and improve the appearance of the skin. I'm also using 3 bottles of 190 milliliters each, and a 1/4 cup measure that I used for measuring the plants. The extraction process is similar to the process we did in the video about macerated oils. However, here, the extraction time is shorter. First, we put the plants in the jars. I am doing it with dried plants, but you can also dehydrate them with a little water before adding the glycerin, or even use fresh herbs, fruits, vegetables, and seeds. However, seeds like chia and flaxseed, which naturally produce high viscosity, make the extraction and straining process difficult. Here I have 1/4 cup of the plants. Next, we add the glycerin. You can add the glycerin gradually, stir to let the herbs settle, and then fill up the rest of the jar. We see that the plants immediately start reacting in the glycerin, especially the hibiscus and green tea, where we can see they have already begun to release their color. Cover and let the glycerin work for 7 to 14 days at room temperature, shaking the jars every day during the process. After 7 days, we will use a mesh filter to strain our extract. First, the horsetail extract. The green tea extract. And the hibiscus extract. Place in well-sealed jars and store in a closed, light-protected place. You can use them to make your own serums, bath gels, toners, etc. In the next videos, I will give tips on how to make some of these preparations. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave your comment below and see you in the next video.